Guys, Rjpasini from shop Rjpasini.com. Welcome to the Winter Wonderland here in Long Island, New York. We're having some heavy snowfall here right now. I just want to share with you guys. Here it is, April 2nd, 2018, the day after Easter, and we are having snow. Apparently, though, from what I heard on the weather report, this is supposed to eventually get a little warmer, and the sun should be breaking out later on. But I don't know, that's what the guy was saying, and a lot of this will melt, but we'll see what happens. Right now it's coming down, pretty heavy. You can see the hedges and bushes over there drooping over. It is a heavy, wet snow, and this is what we got going on, guys. But I remember something like this happening. We had snow on Easter back in the days, in the 90s, I believe it was, and I remember my kids saying, we're ready for Easter, and hey, look, Mom and Dad, it's snowing out there. It's like, oh my gosh, I mean, it's not like it never happened before. It's not an oddity, I guess, but for spring, you would think that, we'd have nice sunny days, and you're waking up and you're looking at it, and you see the sun, nice blue sky, and here you wake up to the winter wonderland here. It feels like Christmas, It reminds you, I could tell you this is a Christmas scenery right now, a Christmas video, and you believe it, of course, right? Who would think? Like, it's April 2nd, 2018, and here's what we got going on, Then again, a lot of people will always blame it on global warming and so on and so forth. But hey, it is what it is, guys, But yeah, this is what we got going on. This is what I woke up to, and it's nice. I mean, it's nice to see the snow. I like the snow for the for Christmas. It's not like there's nothing like having a nice white Christmas, But yeah, that's what we got going on, guys. I just want to share this video with you, just to show you what's going on over here. My sales right now are kind of slow. There's nothing going on. I have a lot of watches on a lot of my items, but I have no takers just yet. And all my items have best offers, but doesn't seem like too many people are taking me up on the offers. So, if you're out there, I'll drop a link below if you want to check out what I have to offer, and see what's out there. And please don't forget to make a best offer. I have been accepting a lot of offers, guys. On this nice snowy day. If you guys do place any orders today, I will try to get them out. We'll see how the weather permits. When it's usually like this here, I don't usually drive because I have a small little car, and that thing is not the greatest on the road, especially when there's a lot of snow covered, and it's not really a safe vehicle to be on the road with. But I could, if I get the orders before a certain time, I can get them to let the mailman take them. He usually helps me out with this here because he knows that I usually don't like driving the weather like this here, but he will. The mailman is pretty good, So if you guys do place any orders today, I will do my best to get it out because I do offer a one-day service. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you go, and I'll talk to you in the next video. And please, if you get a chance, check out the links. I'm going to drop the links below. Check out what I have, the listings I have. And remember, make best offers. Please don't let the prices intimidate you. I think a lot of people are intimidated by the prices, and I do work with my buyers. As long as they have reasonable offers, I have no problem with it. I'm saying I do accept a lot of them. So please take advantage of it. And you could save yourself some money. You'll never know unless you take that offer. Make that offer. All right, guys. Talk to you next video. Bye bye now. Have a good day.